Cars have been a huge part of my life for a long time. For me and my family, it's more than just a sport. It deals with focus, precision, and mechanics. When I'm on the track, nothing else matters. Everything is about finding balance, speed, and control, adjusting in real time, always looking ahead. That's where my two passions collide, racing and fashion. Both inspire me through design, aesthetics, and they push my limits. Every detail matters. The way something is built, the way it moves, the way it looks. It is vision, creativity, precision, and of course, the competition. I grew up surrounded by fabric, textures, and colors. My mom and my grandmother, they both made my clothes, and I would sit beside them watching every stitch. Eventually, I started experimenting with bed sheets, sketching, and creating my own designs. Fashion wasn't just about what I wore, it was what I created. Now, as a fashion design student, I feel the same energy as I do on the track. I imagine, create, and bring ideas to life. I can't imagine a world without fashion, because fashion is about identity, culture, and innovation. Without it, there's no self-expression, no evolution of style. I need to develop my own voice and my own aesthetic. I need a disciplined artistic approach, a creative process, a foundation in the history of fashion. I need technical skills, but creativity is the key. I don't know what's around the next curve, but I'm sure I can face it. I can design the future of fashion.